मेलबर्न के माइग्रेशन एजेंट्स रतिका चावला के साथ क्यों काम करना चाहते हैं, उसके कॉलेज के साथ इसलिए काम करना चाहते हैं। जब बात आती है रतिका चावला की, चाहे मेरा एक्स बिजनेस रहा है, चाहे मैं अभी बिजनेस में हूँ, आई ट्राई टू बी वेरी वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट व्हेन it comes to my work ethics, right? That is the only thing I have invested on the softwares wherein you have the direct access to the portal wherein you can see that how much fees a student has deposited, how much tuition fee the student has deposited. Accordingly, you can raise the commission to the college, and it's as simple as that. And within next 24 hours to 48 hours you get your commission. On top of that, the kind of bonuses what my college is offering, I think none of the colleges are offering that kind of a bonus structure as well. Another thing, the kind of a material, the availability of the material, the availability of the machines in my college, I don't want to compare, but it's, I think, more than enough for the international student to have the access of that. And they are very happy. I hope you are checking my videos as well every now and then. And I always say one thing, when you have to send me the student, tell the student to visit the workshop, but if they want to visit my workshop first before the admission, I must have booked an appointment with them in order to show the workshop, because it should not be impacting the other students who are already studying. So I always have a slot available on Saturdays, wherein the student can come and visit my workshop and meet the trainers, that how it can go further, and how this whether they can do the task or not. So मैं